Welcome guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the getType method, okay, so you can read the type of an object. Alright, so crank up Visual Studio here, and let's type using system. There you go, and now we will make a namespace, so namespace sample, to make a class, a public class, class1 like this, okay, and now let's make a constructor, so public class1 is the body of the constructor. We'll just type here console.writeLine and class1 object goes out a semicolon. Okay, so simple enough. And here just get rid of the like that. So public class1. Alright, let's take a look. Let's delete this. Now what we're going to do is make a couple of these objects and take a look at their types and see how else we can compare with the getType method. So class program, and then you're going to say here static void and then main, and in the body of course you will say now class1 equals class1. That's a new class1 object like this. Okay, let's do class1 again. Now this will be another object of that class, and then set that equal to class1 like this. Now we're going to get the type, so console.writeLine and type here class1.getType like this, close out a semicolon, so this should tell us the type of the object, console.writeLine, and then let's get class2.getType, that should tell us the type of the object. We can also compare using this method by writing console.writeLine, and you can say class1.getType, and does that equal to class2.getType? Close out a semicolon, you see? So you can even do in-place comparisons like that, and that will return a value either true or false, because either they are of the same type or they're not. Now let's just add console.readKey at the end, so it looks like this. Okay, so really simple, one class, and then a class program here down below. Okay, let's go debug and start without debugging at first, and it says class1 object, sample.class1, sample.class1, so they are of the same class and are of the same type. Yes, they are, you see? There you go. So that's how you do this, really simple. Here there isn't too much to see if you go to debugger except debug step into. Okay, and go to the constructor. At the next stage, assign the left and right sides together, call getType, compare them, and then return. Okay, and then hit some key, read the key in, and then exit the app. From this one here, you can type boolean, right, and then comp for compare, and now you can type class1.getType like this, and then class2.getType, and close out a semicolon. And now here you can delete this. You can just put comp in here, you see? So if you want, you can also do this kind of comparison, okay, in place. So let it build. Take a look at the result. And of course the result is the same as before, right? There's a class1 object. Class1 and class2 are of the same type, and lastly they are of equal type. Okay, but what you've learned is the existence of the getType method to find types, and you've learned how you can now do a comparison like this, you see? So this will be evaluated first. Either true or false will be returned. You can store the result to a boolean, and then you can print the value of the boolean to the screen. And that is it. So thanks very much, and I'll see you in another video.